Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to show you guys my new refrigerator that I've had for a few months now. So to start, it's your typical medium-sized refrigerator. The bottom part is the fridge, the upper part is the freezer. The diameters, it is wide, it's 18-19 inches wide, going from this way to this way, and I want to say 3 feet and 20 something inches tall. So when you open it up, you have your compartment for your drinks, your jelly, part for your butter, cheese, other liquids. You can store just about anything you can think of, even a turkeys, turkeys, hams. You can do all that by removing this layer here. And you can stack all of those up. You have a compartment for your vegetables as well. For the freezer part, which is my favorite part, you have stuff to put here. And this gets solid cold. Look at all this ice. You see that? And this is solid, you see that? That is solid. You hear that tapping? But yeah, y'all. Alright guys, that concludes my video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to rate, comment, subscribe. I'm out.